What's up, guys? Hello, this is Olay. I'm a toad.
For example, we could do. I want to do gray.
There we go. I will teach you good ways to how to work out for beginners, advanced, and experts. Beginners use these 5 pounds, and advancers use 10 pounds, which I have right now. So you need 2 5 pounds, 2 10 pounds, and 1 15 pounds. I advancedly do 10 and 5 pounds, but mostly I do 5 pounds.
We need a classy house to start with.
So get out.
So we're
Hold
going
like this.
classy.
If you need 2 hands, you could. I don't need it.
Go a bit classy. I just said that too many times.
Like,
Don't you
see,
think?
the flexing, but I don't flex that much because it's kind of heavy. But
Stuff.
now,
Here is some of the
let's go.
stuff. Should I not stop? I don't know.
But tell me
Already too many things to talk about, don't you think?
I
Okay.
use my other hand to help
Now
me.
we click.
I'm still working on those.
What do we
For
want
like a
before?
good
We need
little
to think about
workout.
this hard, don't we?
Let's use these like
Should
that.
we have it a
Use-
red
Do that.
or a
Do that. Do
black?
that. But also I do this and this. But really, do this.
What do we have?
Better. You could do this is just a little
Should we have
short,
it just regular black?
but you can also do
I don't
push-ups.
think we should.
You could do push-ups to help you.
Can we go
I could do
for some
push-ups,
blue?
but I use my
How do
knees
you know
sometimes
that?
because I'm
No, I don't
lazy.
feel like
But
it.
really,
I could have went for that. This should
Back
be
straight.
good. Yeah, that's good.
go down.
Really nice.
You can also do the
But
worm
you know what?
too
We should change
to help
that.
you. But
If you
no,
get some good birch,
use
yes,
your
this
brain.
is what I was looking for. Some nice birch.
Follow me on Musical.ly, Gabe
Now we
King.
need to think about
Follow me
this.
on
What
live.me,
color
not
do we
lively.
want? The
Live.me.
in the walls.
Gabe
Do
King.
no, we don't want it yellow.
No, my Musical.ly is Gabe King
In
39.
houses,
No
you see, in
uppercase.
this
No
house over
uppercase.
here,
All
we
together.
have,
Wait. No, this.
white
Yeah, all together.
I would say.
Yeah, so bye.